Hello angels and welcome to today's video. That's right, it's that time again. Time for another Football Friday. Time to select a team from the 2 remaining teams and do a makeup look inspired by the colors of that team. So if you want to know what team is chosen and what look I come up with, keep on watching. Alright angels, 2 teams remain, and usually Google selects a team, but I think I'm just gonna pick one from behind my back at random here, and we'll see what look I have to come up with. So we've got very similar colors in both of these. The Tennessee Titans is navy blue, Titans blue and red. New England Patriots is navy blue and red, and they also have some white in there. So I'm just gonna put these behind my back, shuffle them up here, go backwards, forwards, nowhere I go, and we have New England Patriots. Interesting. Navy, blue, and red. So that's what we're working with today. So we will see the Tennessee Titans on Super Bowl Sunday, even though they didn't make it, but hey, they made it to the playoffs, that's good. So I'm going to go ahead, get to applying some makeups, get you guys zoomed in, and I'll be right back. Also, forgot to mention, angels, that this video is also going to be a bit of a hurl here and some first impressions, because Mama went shopping, got herself a giant bag of makeup here, a brand new Morphe palette, so we're going to see how this performs. I think this has some of the colors that we need for the Patriots. Anywho, so Mama laid it down. She spent a little bit too much, I'm sure, at Ulta. But I got some really great products and I'm excited to show you some of them. I've got something new for brows, some new skincare, new bronzer, foundation, concealer, new setting spray. This is Stila. Oh, this is one of the enhancers. These are the liquid eyeshadows. New foundation. This is a Makeup Revolution. New to me. It's not brand new out, but it's fairly new. It's been out maybe about 4 months, I want to say. And I tried it in the store and it looked fabulous. So I'm excited to try that out. So without further ado, let's get you all zoomed in and get to putting on some makeup. So first thing I'm going to do is already have my skin prepped and primed. We're going to try out this new concealer from Milani. It's the Conceal and Perfect Longwear Concealer. It looks very interesting. It looks like it's kind of modeled after their Longwear foundation, which I really like. The coverage on that one is fabulous. This is the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, and it's said to rival the Tatcha Primer. And Tatcha, as we know, is like $70, around there somewhere. This was $6 or $10 probably. I have to look at the receipt. Got a damp sponge here, and I'm just going to get a little bit of that on there. Just dab it on my pore area. Already to me it looks like it's giving a little bit of a white cast. I'm not sure if you can see that. I don't have a problem with underneath my makeup, but is it going to fill my pores? It's definitely giving a white cast. So I'm just going to use that in my pore area and see how that performs. I put that on first to give it a moment to kind of settle in. Have some new skincare things that I picked up too. One of the new items that I picked up is the CeraVe Hydrating Hyaluronic Acid Serum. So trying that out for a little bit, and I paired that with my Physicians Formula Skin Boosting Vitamins, Light Nude, and apply that to the eyelids. The new Morphe palette that I picked up, and I'm also going to use a little bit of my Jeffree Star palette that my friend Emily graciously gave to me. not the coverage that I expected. It's covering, but this one you can see it looks a little sheer. So I'm going to go in with the Jeffree Star palette, and I'm going to use one of these two beautiful reds that I have here. And one is named Blood Sugar and the other one is Cherry Soda. I think Blood Sugar is a little more shimmery, so I think I'm going to go with Cherry Soda first. Going in with the Sugarcane color. It's just a nice neutral color, and just laying down a nice foundation there because I'm going to need to buff out those colors quite a bit. And I'm using I think this is a little Moda crease brush. Notice that it's very tapered, so it gets in that crease and can blend out colors really good. I want to show you this palette that I picked up real quick first. This is the Morphe 35V palette. It's called Stunning Vibes, and there is a blue in here that is to die for. First off, packaging looks fabulous. Look at those blues. Beautiful. And it has some fantastic neutrals and some nice cherry colors in here too. So I believe I'm going to get a lot of use out of this palette. Very tapered blending brush. And I'm going to go into Cherry Soda and the Blood Sugar palette, the Jeffree Star Blood Sugar palette. I'm just going to let the brush do its magic. Just pick up the product, tap off the excess, lay it into the crease area, and then work a circular motion to blend it out and smoke it out really pretty. We're going to take the red on the first half of the eye and then the blue on the outer edge. Now that I've got that red all smoked out there, that looks pretty nice how I want it to. We're going to go into that Morphe palette. This blue right here, sorry, I'm flicking you off, that's rude. This blue right here, it's called Hit It Off. I want to blend a little bit bigger area. So again, starting in the crease, circular motions to get that smoked out. I'm going up into the red just a little bit. MUA Professional brush, and this is an all over shadow brush, so it's a larger one, larger flat one, and then we're just going to blend out these colors up at the top here. So now we're going to do a little bit of a cut crease by using the Milani Conceal and Perfect little Wet n Wild concealer brush. So I'm going to start by just applying that product to the lid area. And when you're doing a full-on cut crease, get that product laid out, open the eye, look all the way around, up and down, and then that's your cut crease area. See, for me, with the heavily hooded eyes, it's very difficult. So what I'm gonna do, actually you can probably do it with this wand, it's pretty precise. I'm going to go with my concealer brush and just make sure my edges are nice and clean here. I'm not going to set it. Instead, I'm going to go right in with the shadow colors. Fluffy shader brush here. Go back into that blue, the Hit It Off blue there. Get it densely packed on the brush, and then I'm going to go into the inner corner. Take the red on the outer corner. See how well that just sticks right to that. Pull my lid out. Good old heavily hooded eyelids. Thank you very much, Mom. So see, I have the blue laid on there, and now I'm going to get a similar brush and do the red. So again, flat shader brush. Going back into the Blood Sugar palette of Jeffree Star and going into Cherry Soda, getting that densely packed on the brush, and then going straight in there. Just using kind of a petting motion to kind of really pack it on to where that concealer is. Good lay now. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the other eye caught up, and I will be right back. All right, angels, we are back, and I have both eyes caught up to where I need them to be. And it looks a little crazy right now, but trust me, it's gonna come together in the end. So what I'm gonna do now is zoom you out, get to applying my full face, and I'll be right back with the finished product. You've seen me do this probably 30 or 40 different times, but I'm gonna go ahead and do a wing. This is just the NYX white liner, and I'm just going to follow that outer edge line. Bring that in. Do the top part. And then fill it in. Eyeliner that I can do. Just take that across the bottom here. This is the Chromatic from Infallible Loreal. I don't think that they make this anymore, but they do make another type that I've been linking in the description. I'm gonna get my lipstick on and come back with the finished look. Be right back, angels. All right, angels, we are back, and this is the completed look. I finished up, of course, with the Kylie Jenner lip kit, and again, that was in the color Dolche. The winner in all of this is probably somewhere between the Kylie Jenner lip kit and the Urban Decay Brow Blade. These are my two favorite products right now. Sorry I ever said anything negative against you, Kylie girl. The butter bronzer. Love the butter bronzer too. This is going to be a new staple in my everyday. Well, angels, if you've watched this far, thank you so much. I really do appreciate every single view that I get. Also, don't forget to follow me on all of my other social media. I have Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, all at Angels Makeup Mayhem. Do be an angel and click subscribe and smash that notification bell so you're notified every single time I upload a new video. All you angels should leave me a comment because I really love hearing from you. Thank you so much for watching, angels, and I'll see you in the next video. Two teams remain, and one of them is in the Super Bowl that's playing very soon, so that episode of Football Friday will air on Super Bowl Sunday. So we will see which team it is. That was stupid. Okay. Hey, maybe this kind of jinxes them a little bit. Maybe they won't win. Wouldn't that be lovely? Wouldn't that be charming? And I'm going to use, Frank is going to go ballistic. It's talking. God. Are we serious with this? Are we? I don't think we're serious. Oh my God. One of them is the CeraVe. Alright, but first off, I'm going to take a pause for the cause, and I'll be right back. She's up there going, you're welcome. Alright,